Hey team, good morning. I am back with another video. As you can tell, I just thought I'd do a productive Sunday in my life. I have a lot going on this week, including working for 2 days, and then I'm flying to California for a vacation and to go see my family. So I'm super excited. But yeah, so just a lot going on. I have to finish up working, close up a lot of things that a lot of projects that I've been working on, and then I have to pack and make sure Jake and I are ready for our trip. So I just thought I'd take you along today with me on some of the planning for that. It is a beautiful day out in Washington, D.C. It's like 68 degrees or something ridiculous. It was literally snowing like 5 days ago. So I'm also gonna try to get some sun, and yeah, I'm stoked and excited to bring you with me. I am just going to go make my tea and brush my teeth and do all that stuff. Jake and I are leaving on a walk to Whole Foods in like 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna go and get ready for that. Alright, so I have just made my coffee. I love the Nespresso and the fact that it froths the milk. It's amazing. But yeah, Jake and I are just going to go to Whole Foods now. We live about like a 15-minute walk from one, so we're just gonna meander on over there. It is beautiful outside, so I'm excited for this walk. And then afterwards he's gonna have a friend over and they're gonna be working on a project that they have come up with, and I will be prepping for the rest of this week. I've already worked a little bit today. My boss sent me a request, so just doing a little bit of prep for work and then making a packing list and finishing up my itinerary for California because I am extra organized, like really extra organized. But yeah, I'm just really excited, and yeah, let's go. Going
Overnight stuff.
yeah, which sucks, but so we're back from our walk. It was really nice outside. I like can't even believe it because it was literally snowing like 3 days ago. But it's like almost 70 degrees today, and it was just a really nice walk. There were so many people out, and I live in a really woodsy area, so it was just like really pretty. There's a lot of trees and the sun was shining through them, and it was just great. But anyway, I think I'm actually gonna go get some sun outside. I'm gonna put my swimsuit on and go and sit outside. Jake is gonna be out there with one of his friends. I'm gonna eat some fruit, just relax for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and read a book I'm reading, and then I'm gonna get on to all the important stuff that I need to take care of today.
Look at me, I'm Rachel. How candid.
Fine. Ready?
I'm recording it.
Okay, I know. So I just thought I'd show you my calendar as well. What we have here is just some of the stuff I'm planning on doing this week. So as you can tell, it's 5:40 right now. That's where this little red dot is. And Jake and I are just gonna cook lasagna for dinner. And then tomorrow, someone put a meeting at 2 a.m. That's a mistake. I wake up at 7:50. I always put the time I wake up during the week just because it helps to, set my schedule. I'm working from 9 to 5, and then I'm going to a wellness meeting thing. And then I'm going to spend the evening preparing for California, maybe packing, doing laundry, things like that. And then I'm waking up again at 7:50 on Tuesday, going to work 5-ish hours. And then once again, California prep, packing, and all of that stuff. So that's my evenings. And then I've also added in my Wednesday. So we have our hotel booked and it's tagged here. We're going to leave at 7:15-ish. That's not happening. Um, Once we land, we'll just be getting our baggage and stuff like that. And then at 12 noon, we have lunch with my friend Rebecca. And then we're gonna drive from LA to Orange County, where my family's home is. Jake and I have a nail appointment at 3:50. Jake and I are cooking fajitas for my family at 6 p.m. that evening because it's my mother's birthday, and we thought we would do something nice. So we're gonna have the whole family over, and Jake is gonna be cooking. And then the next day, we have breakfast at a cafe with some of my family members. At 1 p.m., we're going to Newport Beach, where we'll be renting a boat and just going around the bay, which will be really fun. We've got dinner plans with some friends that night, and then we'll be seeing family after. The next day, we'll be having breakfast at my mom and dad's, and then we'll leave for San Diego at 1 p.m., which is so exciting. I'm so excited to be going to San Diego. Hoping to catch the sunset at one of my favorite spots. It's gonna be awesome. I really want to show Jake this. It's one of my favorite spots in college. I would go there so much just to meditate or just to relax, and I'm so excited to show him. And then that evening, we are going to a museum event at Balboa Park. And then we're going to some of my favorite bars in San Diego. It's like really good dancing bars and like just bars to hang out with friends at. Gypsy Crow and Coin Up. We are going to have breakfast at one of my favorite breakfast spots. Going kayaking. We're just gonna relax, and I'm not exactly sure what we're doing for the rest of the night. I'm gonna kind of leave that up to my friends, and that'll be fun. Sunday we have a restaurant week lunch at Brockton Villa. So that's me planning for my week. I do this. So that's me planning for my week. I do this every Sunday just to make sure I know what lays ahead. If I have drinks with friends or if Jake and I are going to an embassy event, I make sure that's all inside here. Obviously, this looks a little different since I'm going on vacation midway through, but that's typically what it looks like. Yeah. Oh my god, this is all on my work calendar. I need to change this. Hey all, so I am in the kitchen right now. We're cooking a lasagna. It's gonna be delicious. We've got some sauce and some cheese spread. We're cooking it. We're gonna have dinner with our landlady or the woman we live with. It'll be really nice. But yeah, just gonna relax after having prepped for work tomorrow. Yeah, Jake's makes an amazing lasagna, so I'm really excited to eat it. Do you want to cook? No?
Sure.
Okay. What's in this?
Ricotta, eggs, more ricotta, more eggs, pepper, pecorino.
That looks amazing. That looks delicious. Yeah, it's in the cupboard?
Yeah, top drawer of the cupboard. It says, oh, maybe look at the second down.
Okay.
It says Henderson's relish.
There's a lot. Holy crap.
Yeah.
You can use it for pasta.
Well, I'm gonna use it for pasta. Lasagna.
I know, but like, you know what I mean.
Oh yeah, you had some cheese earlier. Oh, they come with that amazing cake cheese from Whole Foods.
Yeah.
I keep asking for it every time I go.
Yeah.
And the guy today was like, you know what, people keep asking, I'm just gonna go put an order in for it.
Hello. So I am just in my laundry room doing dishes. I just washed everything, so I'm drying it now, but yeah, we just had dinner with the woman we live with, Lindsay. It was so good. We had lasagna, and we ended up having quite a bit for meal prep. So that's exciting because that ends up taking off a lot of money spent this week. And yeah, we just have literally so much lasagna, so that's good. But anyway, Jake and I are now just gonna watch some TV, and it's about 9 p.m. so I'll probably start getting ready for bed soon. I'm just gonna pick out my clothes for tomorrow and make sure my backpack is ready for work tomorrow. And that's really all that is happening for the rest of the night. It's been a pretty... I know I meant this to be productive, but it was actually a really relaxing Sunday, honestly, as well. So I got a lot done, but I also had a chance to just relax and get some sleep before the week begins. So it's been good. So the last thing I do typically in the evening on Sunday... Jake, shut up! So the last thing I do typically on Sundays is I pack up my work bag. Usually my laptop goes in there, but I'm not going to put that in quite yet. My notebook, which I put a lot of my planning into. Yeah, so that's going to go in there as well, and just some other things. So I'm just going to finish packing this right now, and I'll be basically ready for work, so it'll be great. Hey y'all, so thanks for watching my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys all have a really good week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear what you guys think and what you're planning for this week, and maybe some of what you like to do on Sundays. Thanks, bye!